had the CNC for a couple of months and I haven't done a whole lot with it. I've been busy cutting opal. That was quick. Now I just need to change the bit. Done. You just have to pop it off. It's just held on with some very strong double stick tape. Round over on it again, and that it's closer to the final design of the product. Well, there it is. Finished product, much nicer. It's very comfortable to grip in your hand now. You use it as designed. So I put a finish on it. It's just mineral oil, since this is going to be used on a barbecue grill. I wanted to use something that's food safe. Probably use any kind of cooking oil. No, you can't! let's try it out with this prototype. I've got the grill nice and hot. It's plenty dirty. Over time, the grooves in the end a bit deeper, and it'll actually start cleaning even better. Thanks for watching. You can order one of these barbecue scrapers in my Etsy store, link in the description. And for a limited time, use the word scraps to get either these toast tongs or this kitchen fork free with your order, which were made from the offcuts